Hi guys, good morning. My name is Ajay Singh and again welcome to Ajay Singh channel. So today what I am going to show you is the builder's floor that we had given on the rent. This is the road outside the house. You can see how clean and wide the road. So you can see this is very good colony and very secure location. This is the front of main building. So this one is still car parking. Each floor 2 car parking each floor. This one is parking area. This house was rented to Japan Embassy right now, so just vacated. This one is a street car parking, 2 car parking inside each floor and 100% power backup also. This one is driveway and lift is also here. So let's go. A house show you from inside how it made and how much rent. So I will show you 3rd floor. Basically this building is total 4th floor, so I will show you 4th floor. So this floor is rent, monthly rent 1.5 lakhs monthly rent, and this is the main gate of the floor. We enter from the gate inside the door, so just connected to lift also. This is lift also, and this lift is common. This is a common lift. So let's go inside. This house is just vacating now, so you must be looking a little dirty, so I'm so sorry. Let's go. This is the living area. AC also same like hot and cool. So again I want to tell you, if you have any requirement, so please let me know. I will show you outside view. This one is balcony and this is outside view. Very good, very greenery, and this is very big park. And nearby also market, mall, gym, club, everything. So let's go. This one is first bedroom. This apartment. This one is master bedroom, attached bathroom. Also attached almirah. Attached bathroom. Geyser, exhaust fan and ceiling fan, LED light, shower also. Again show you same bedroom. This one is almirah. So like I told you, it should look dirty because just go to bucket. So this is attached kitchen, just main door, and this is a kitchen, modular kitchen. Everything is installed like microwave, oven, chimney, RO, exhaust fan. This one is a small geyser. Refrigerator also, microwave, oven, gas pipeline also, so let's go. I will show you dining area. This is the dining space. AC also, hot and cool. And this one is second bedroom. Also same like attached bathroom. So if you have any inquiry, please tell me. I have so many options available, rent and sale in low budget, high budget. So this is attached balcony. All bedrooms attached balcony. If you rent this apartment, then you can pay monthly 1.5 lakh rupees, and if you want to buy this apartment, so at least pay 7 to 8 crore. So both are options, but I have low budget also available this area property, because I will show you third bedroom. This is Almira. Also attached bathroom. Exactly same like geyser, ceiling fan, shower. This is shower. Also attached, this is a separate laundry room and utility room. Also put here washing machine, separate space. So I will show you fourth bedroom. This one is fourth bedroom, this apartment. So also attached balcony and so if you have any requirement, so please let me know. I have so many, again I will tell you options. This area like all South Delhi farmhouse, rent and sale, so many more options. So I would just like to speak to you guys, take care of your family, and thank you so much watching my video. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. And this is a also geyser like same 25 liters geyser. So I will show you same like bedroom. And again I will tell you, if you have any requirement, so please let me know. I have so many options this area, and this location is very secure location because 24 by security, or everything is nearby like mall, gym, club, temple, everything.